Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can prevent users to access their corporate emails on mobile devices, or you can say personal mobile devices, using different methods and techniques. Many organizations want to prevent users to access their corporate emails from their personal mobile devices. Here is the company use case. Organization has no premium services subscription like Azure Active Directory, Enterprise Mobility Plus Security or Intune, and still wants to achieve at max security levels to block company corporate emails on mobile devices. Users will be allowed to access Outlook Web Access OVA only from trusted public IP addresses and based on Active Directory attributes. We also have to block Microsoft Outlook mobile application for specific user or company wide. Let's go through what is Exchange ActiveSync. ActiveSync is a client protocol that lets users synchronize their mailbox with their mobile devices. By default, ActiveSync is enabled on new user mailboxes. For example, if we disable ActiveSync on a mailbox, it prevents the user from synchronizing their mailbox with a mobile device using ActiveSync. Let's take a look what are mailbox plans. A mailbox plan is a template that automatically configures mailbox properties in Exchange Online. Mailbox plans correspond to Microsoft 365 and Office 365 license types. When you assign a license to a new user, the corresponding mailbox plan is used to configure the settings on the new mailbox that's created. Here is the list of mailbox plans for subscription or license. Here is the quick summary of what we have learned in this episode. We need to implement organization use case to prevent user to access organization emails from mobile devices or outside the organization using Outlook Web Access. We had also gone through the ActiveSync protocols and mailbox plans for subscriptions or license. In the next video, which is the second part of this video, we will learn to enable or disable ActiveSync protocol, so do not miss this video series.